Hello and welcome back to Live from the Camper. Today, we're going to be making hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs, you ask? Well, yeah. Every time I'm in my little rooms and all over the internet, people are like, how do I make hard-boiled eggs? How do I make hard-boiled eggs? I'm going to show you how easy it is to make hard-boiled eggs. You're going to use the 5-5-5. 5 minutes pressure cooker, 5 minutes natural release, 5-minute ice bath. Makes perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. But wait, there's more. After you make those hard-boiled eggs, we're either going to eat them all up or we're going to add this to the yolk. We're going to make deviled eggs. We're going to use the Kraft sandwich spread. It makes the perfect deviled eggs. You don't need to get mayonnaise, mustard, relish, mixing it all up, tasting it, mixing, tasting. You get so full doing that. Mix this with the yolk and they're perfect every time. Let's get cooking. Well, don't blink because you're going to miss how to make this. You're going to get 1 cup of water, dump it in, get your trivet thingy, use it on the low side, put that right in there, grab your eggs, put them in. I'm going to make 6. That way you have 12 halves. Now after you put it in, wait for it, take your pressure lid, put it on seal. We're gonna pressure cook for 5 minutes. That's it. That's all you gotta do. So you're gonna pressure, 5 minutes. Start. 3, 2, 1. Pressure cooking hasn't completed. Now you're gonna let the number count up to 5 minutes for the natural release. Now while you're waiting for that to count up to 5 minutes, get your ice bath ready. Get your bowl, put some ice in it, and some water. As you can see, we're at the 5-minute mark now, so go ahead and let the rest of that pressure out. Gotta throw a towel over it so the steam doesn't go all up and ruin my roof and stuff. The red pin is dropped. Take off the lid, and then put those in the ice bath. Quickly, because they're hot. Yeah. Now let those sit in there for 5 minutes. Why didn't I use tongs? I don't feel like cleaning them. It's been 5 minutes now, so it's time to get the shells off the egg. How many times you guys sit there under the faucet, tapping and peeling and everything falls apart? Nah, just drop it. Look at that. Booyah! So get out your fine china, get your prettiest base, throw a couple paper towels over the top of it. And cut these bad boys in half. Perfect. Perfect. Now get you a fancy Ziploc baggie. Kind of fold the tops over like that so it doesn't get all over the top. Makes like a little basket for you. Let's pop those yolks. Now remove that napkin so you can display your fine china. Got your yolks in the bag. Get out that sandwich spread. So basically this is your mayonnaise, your mustard, your sweet relish, all in one. Work smarter, not harder. Get you a couple tablespoons in there. Close that bag up. Kind of get the air out. And then mush it on up. Seen people put these in food processors, get a rolling pin out, all kinds of crazy stuff. Throw it in the bag and squish it up. It's kind of satisfying. Stress relief. Now that you got it all down to one side like a pastry bag, you're gonna cut the tip. Not a lot, just a little bit. You get that fine china in your hand with your handy dandy pastry bag and you squeeze in that deliciousness right into the egg. Look at that. It wasn't me. That was the bag, I promise. Now what I like to do is hit it with a little paprika. I personally like smoked paprika, but you use any kind you want. I mean, look at that. Besides the fine china, is that perfect or what? All right, come on, y'all. It don't get any easier than that. That was just too fast to make something so delicious. Let's give it a try. Has the perfect sweetness, right amount of relish mustard. I mean, don't mess around with all that other stuff. Just buy the Kraft sandwich bread. It makes it perfect. You might as well put little capes on these guys because they're super deviled eggs. So good. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat. We eat one more. Better not eat too many of them. We are in the camper. Does this apron make me look fat? No, the fat makes me look fat. All right, it's been 5 minutes now, so it's time to get the shells off the eggs. Oh. Good thing those are hard boiled. Lesson here. Make sure when you're cooking, your camper's level.